Welcome to the beautiful Forest Lakes community. This stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo is situated on the second floor and boasts convenient in-unit laundry, as well as stylish tile and laminate flooring throughout. Forest Lakes is an exclusive 55-plus community that offers an array of fantastic amenities, including 3 heated pools, clay tennis courts, shuffleboard, a clubhouse with billiard tables, and a library. But that's not all. The location of this condo is truly unbeatable. Nestled in the heart of Naples, just off Pine Ridge Road and west of Airport Pole Road, you will have easy access to a plethora of shopping and dining options. And let's not forget about the pristine Naples beaches and vibrant downtown area, which are just a short drive away. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to live in Forest Lakes, where luxury, convenience, and excitement await you.